This is a short video which will demonstrate how to create a PowerSchool parent account for Brother Rice High School. Before continuing with this process, you must have two pieces of information that you either received in an email from Brother Rice or if you obtained a printed copy. They are the access ID for your student and access password. The first step is to navigate to the following address: p.brrice.edu. Then select the Login button in the middle labeled Parents and Students. Once you reach the Sign In page, click the Create Account tab, then the Create Account button in the lower right-hand corner. Now that we're on the Create a Parent Account page, you can begin by filling out the Parent Account Details section. Enter your first name and your last name, an email address, your desired username, and a password. You'll notice as we type more characters into the password, PowerSchool will let us know the strength of the password, all the way from weakest to strong. Your password must be at least 7 characters long. Now we'll scroll down and begin entering information for each one of the students we wish to register. In the first box, enter your student's complete name. In the second box, the access ID. This will be 6 numeric characters. Then the access password, which is approximately 8 characters of mixed alpha and numeric. And lastly, choose your relationship to the student being entered. This is most likely one of the options in the first section. You can enter additional students at this time. When you're finished, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click the Enter button. One common problem when submitting the form is that the username you selected is already in use. PowerSchool will suggest a few alternate usernames that you can select from, or you're welcome to type a new username into the box and submit the form again to check that username. Note that anytime you resubmit the form, you will have to re-enter your password twice, and under the Students section, the access password. The other issue you might run into is that a student was not added to your account because there was a problem with the information entered. If we scroll down to the Student Information section, please double check the access ID, which should be 6 numeric characters, and the access password. If you're copying and pasting these values from an email you've received, double check that you did not include any extra spaces. Remember, before you resubmit this form, you must enter your password again. Now that you are successfully logged into PowerSchool, let's take a look at 4 different parts of the screen. In the top left, you'll notice that if you entered more than one student, you can switch between each of those students. The main menu is located along the left side of the page. Whatever menu option you click will be displayed in the center, and in the top right-hand corner, you'll find easy links to print the page that you're on or sign out of your account. One menu item to take note of is the Account Preferences option. In Account Preferences, you can change your email address, change your username, or reset your password. You can also add an additional student if you did not do so during the original account creation.